The same washman that we had. I want to get the rice wash, please, Dad.
Okay.
There's a lot of waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, a lot of waterfall vents, Dad.
It seems to be all coming down one big stream on the left, right side. Not all of it, but
Just the waterfall vents.
it's weird.
A new update. I hope this top wells won't drop down if I get a truck next few years. A long time ago, a long time ago. I haven't been there a long time ago.
I know.
Yep, I haven't been there a long time ago.
Right.
Back in 2011, I have been there. I haven't been there.
Right.
The same wash machine that we have. All fits the same. Need to add a full wash package. Spot free waterfall vents. Here I come. The trustful drivers won't drop down. I'll wait for the green light. There! Activate it. Oh, too late to fold in the mirrors. That's okay.
That's alright.
There's no buzzer up there. Nope. Oh, stop. There's no buzzer up there. Softgloss access to. Another pre-wash prep. Wow, pre-wash prep. Got to the white wash. Now it's pre-wash prep. It's a walk-up pendulum. Now it gets a color soap. Pre-rinse and a color soap. Wow! Pre-rinse and a color soap, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
The pre-rinse. Now I still have a color soap. And now it's off. Uh-oh. Oh, there's no boom! No boom! Finally! Yes, there's no boom! Finally! Yes, Dad! Finally! Then there's no boom back in the truck! Yay! Just deactivated! Oh, there's no boom finally! They fixed the top wash! The top wash has been fixed!
Yeah. Rinse.
Still a wash cycle. Oh, waterfall winds, here I come! Here comes the waterfall! Wow, Dad, this is waterfall winds.
Mm-hmm.
Fresh waterfall winds, it's clear coat protected. Wow, look at the waterfall winds. A waterfall. They have a waterfall winds. That. And the top brush is spinning spot free winds. There's no wax. Spot free winds. Spot free waterfall winds. Look, it's a waterfall.
Yeah, cool.
Waterfall, halfway waterfall winds.
Alright.
Woo!
Still waterfalls when you come in.
I like to get a waterfall winds. It's a good coverage there. This is a waterfall
Not
winds.
bad, not bad.
It's a waterfall. Think and drive
Right,
slowly.
a little better.
We got our timer error. Time remaining error. Oh, a minute left, Dad.
That's plenty of time.
One of them burned out. The white said it, that was burned out. Yep, 50 seconds. So plenty of time. The truss pull dryer is not dropping down anymore. The Ryko truss pull dryers. The top brush has been fixed, finally. Ooh, look. It's okay. Look at the stuff dropped on the truss pull dryer. Hey Dad, hey Dad, look at the stuff back in the truck.
Okay. Soup.
Look at it back.
Soup.
This just happens.
Okay.
So anyways, thanks so much.
Check.